Welcome in this Reddio airdrop video, the most performant parallel EVM layer 2 for gaming and deeping backed by Paradigm. Paradigm is a largest investing venture, so they did invest in um, Reddio. Okay, so here is first you need to join our Telegram channel. If you don't found Telegram a link, never freak out, never be worried, check out description box, you will find obviously our Telegram channel link. So walk through that link and you will reach inside of this channel, and here is latest post about Reddio, so check out it. So here is couple of instructions I given already, so go to here, that link has been already provided in here. Connect MetaMask, maybe obviously you have MetaMask, therefore you to push you this video to you, your founding your rotation video, and connect your Twitter and Discord in here, daily check-in and complete social spam. Your work has been done every day. So now we will do first thing first is go to here, so click on this here button, or copy it and paste it into your favorite browser that you do each day for getting done airdrop. Okay, so especially I do use Mises browser, UV browser, as well as Yandex. Three browser I do use for getting done airdrop testnet easily for by my phone. So if you have PC laptop, you can done your native browser Chrome. That's it. So here is it is going to be open and same interface would be everywhere. So if you do desktop, it would be PC laptop version. So if you in mobile phone, it is slightly would be hard to doing, so definitely I will suggest you doing desktop mode. It will be, you know, it will be clear to see everything while you do desktop. Their roadmap, if you noticed in here, that quarter one 2023 already passed, quarter 2 they are think they are thought in here, quarter 1 2023 they were thought about this startup, and quarter 2 2024 open source sequencer SDK launch point system. So it is ongoing still. Quarter 3 parallel EVM layer 2 testnet, sorry it is not ongoing, this one ongoing now. Quarter 3 mean January, February, March, April, May, June, April, May, June, July, August, September. July, August, September is quarter 3. So here is their ongoing is this one now. So quarter 3 2024 parallel EVM layer 2 testnet bridging moduleless integrated withdrawal access. So their testnet is launched. So here is quarter 4 mean August, September, October, November, something like that. So parallel GKVM layer 2 testnet would be published at that time. One click to launch your one app chain on layer 2 layer 3, and parallel GKV layer 2 mainnet would be in the quarter 2 2025. So anyhow, we will talk about how do you get access inside of this point section, and you can increase your point before getting this stuff mainnet. Okay, so I've already mentioned in the post that you need to first connect your MetaMask. So here is connect option you are seeing in the right top option. So click on this connect, and here is MetaMask is pop up. So first one, so always recommended because it is one of the most uses wallet in web3, as well as it is so fast in mobile as well as PC, whatever you are using. Okay, so I definitely suggest you doing use this wallet for doing airdrop done, because it is most uses and most recommended wallet ever. It is not for affiliate stuff. Okay, it is that I usually like to do. So here is task options. After doing it, click this task option or get early access. So whatever you prefer. So I'm first get early access. Click on there. Start your task. Click on this go, and my stuff would be pop up. Maybe next one. It is still loading slightly. Maybe okay, already done. So daily check-in. So click on this go. go option, daily check-in, we get 10 points. Authenticate Twitter and follow Reddio on Twitter. Go, we need to connect first Twitter. So I already said that if you okay, so now see it. So Twitter is not working that way. So what I need to do, just click this pin option, copy it and paste it in here. I'm pasting it into here. So, and what you need to do is your bar move far left and try to go to the first written word like written by Twitter there, and where you need to change Twitter instead of X instead of Twitter. Okay, so remove Twitter written by, put X and click on here. It definitely will be work. Okay, so if you face this problem for doing Twitter task, so do the same strategy. There's a lot of guy that don't know how to do it. Okay, so this video is on genuinely help you, so therefore do subscribe this channel. So maybe if this thing is help you, do subscribe and check out description box for joining our Telegram channel, and where you can be part of our community. And very soon, if we do a massive airdrop testnet, at the time I will make that Telegram channel private for everybody, for paid group. So before getting paid that stuff, join our Telegram channel. Okay, so still free, our Telegram channel providing free airdrop testnet. So definitely that will help you to make more money in the airdrop space, testnet, sorry, crypto space. So now click on this retweet tweet from Reddio Twitter account. Click on here, and we need to go through in Twitter as well. So definitely I will use Mises browser. It is one of the most used browser in Web3. It is curated based on Web3 stuff. Okay, so same do in here. Remove your Twitter, put x.com, and it will bring that into here. Very soon. It's a very simple, straightforward. Maybe that will help you a most. you know you know I know that majority people is facing the Twitter problem that already solved inside of this video. So it is loading still, if so a couple of seconds would take it. Okay, so here is retweet will be pop up, because we are intending to doing retweeting here. So post is being opening up, a couple of seconds is need, because I'm showing everything A to J how do you do it. So here is retweet will pop up in front of you, so click this repost. Okay, so do additional like in here, that nothing cost us anything, so it is free service. Okay, click on this verify in order to done this task for effectively, and join Reddit Discord server. So click on here in order to done as well this task. And Discord, first you need to connect. Okay, in order to done the work efficiently, that either you did the work or not, therefore connect, you should have connect your Discord with their website. Okay, so connect your Discord with their Web3 website Reddio. So here is my Discord is going to be connect, so a little bit time will take it, because I'm using mobile phone. It is as simple as that. If I did in PC, maybe I've already done it, but a couple of things, based on couple of things, it depends that how efficiently, how fast you can work done. Okay, so we always obtain a private role on Reddit Discord server. Go on there, and you need to join fast in here. Okay, so my Discord already logged in, the same browser uses. So specific browser is specific Discord, specific Twitter, specific Gmail has on each browser. I have 5 browser for doing the airdrop. Okay, multi account, and here is the first one has specific is of this account, so that you are seeing in here, and it is still opening up. So you need to join, so accept their invite in here, and couple of minutes need, because I'm not cutting the video. I'm just recording it and I'm publishing on YouTube, and that's it. Nothing edit, nothing cutting, nothing voice, volume increasing, nothing else. I'm doing record and publish, bam. So here is verification you need for uh, entering their entire getting their entire access. So click this verify first. Okay, and then click this continue, and then again continue, and put your number 2133113, and then bam, you will get every access A to J in here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So now what you need is go back in the main section in here, and here is this verify button, and it will be efficiently done. Obtain an active role in radio Discord server. So active role, in order to get it, maybe you need to do something on there. So if I click on this verify, maybe it will not be work, because verify field, please complete the task requirement, obtain an active role. So in order to get active role in here, I don't know what I need to do, because I never before participate in here. So let me see, start here. Okay, I'm clicking on here. If I need to, okay, okay, so I click on in here. So start here, announcements, rules, general, get help. So if I go in general, now if I do a message, let me see if they give us a active role automatically or not. Okay, I click on hey, timed out, you received time in radio. Okay, don't spam guys, just normal conversation on big with radio. That's great. Their community, hey, hello, this not allowed in here. Okay, I'm just verified, I'm not active in here, so therefore they punished me 30 or 40 seconds nearly, and it's timed out. Okay, so I need to wait a couple of seconds in here. So before getting it, I'm going to go in here. So let me see in this room. So same is happen, I'm not allowed, I'm not able to message until 12 seconds passed, because here is you cannot spam anything at all, you need to message longer. Okay, hey, hello, GM doesn't allowed in here. So now I'm showing you how do you do message. Okay, so here is I'm saying I have YouTube channel where I post airdrop video. Okay, so if I put this on run the finance, bam. Now let me see. So let me see if they give us active role or not. Maybe. So they are not yet give us active role in here. You need to active, maybe it's certain amount of number you need to accomplish by doing messages, but maybe you need to spend couple of minutes, certain number of minutes in here. Maybe based on those two things, you will get active role on this Discord server. So it's you can do, but if I do show that stuff, it will take a lot of time. So do your way. Let's assume that you done this work. Okay, so let's assume you done this work efficiently. Okay, if I click on here, it doesn't work. Okay, authenticate your unique human by WorldCoin. So I haven't as well this on because these apps don't work in my country. If I do use these apps, I already installed these apps because I wanted to do an airdrop by these apps, but it did not allow me to do because in my country it doesn't allow, as well as you cannot do this stuff to turning on your VPN. Okay, if you do you know turn on your VPN, that apps understood that please turn off your VPN. We are not doing work during the turning on VPN. So if you turn off that VPN and in your country that apps is restricted. Okay, in my country. So maybe if you are allowed, you can do it this task. So last two tasks, this task is easy and this task is not for me. If it is for you, you can definitely do it. Okay, because in my country the apps doesn't allow me to do it. Okay, so I can do this stuff. It's enough for me, and very soon everything would be updated and I will get a lot of point as well. So this was the task maybe that's helped you a lot to get understand. And if you have any question, you can ask me. Inside of the description box you will found, inside of the channel description box you will found the call option. You can call me. You can ask me anything in during the call, on call. So definitely you can do it. As well as check description box for you will find the Telegram channel Ultimate, where you can join for being part of the earning channel, earning you know airdrop testnet earning community. So see you in the next video. So until that.